Thank you for taking time to join my series on how to get TikTok Live Studio on your computer. In this session, we are going to learn how to set up our live session. The first series, we learn how to download it. The second part, how to install. The third part, we learned how to log in with our TikTok account. So when you log into your TikTok account, it will take you to this interface here. So when you open the application, you come to Go Live. Now, please, I want you to take time to follow this step gradually. Take time to follow this step very, very well. So, TikTok Live Studio has two mode. So if you go to the upper left section here, it says the editor mode or the director mode. The editor mode or the director mode. So in this first video, we are going to work on the editor mode as I take you through the director mode in our next video. So if you select your editor mode, we have three scenes. We have the portrait. That is what you are seeing me. We have the landscape. We have the landscape option. And we have the dual mode option. So the landscape, let's choose our camera. So we are selecting our camera. So that is the landscape option and the dual mode option. The dual mode gives you the option of portrait and landscape, which I will not recommend for any of my users. To use the landscape. So always dwell on the dual layout. Always use the landscape. Always use the landscape or the portrait option. The landscape or the portrait option. So, in my next video, we are going to take each layout one by one. So I'm going to end this part and I will take you through how to set it up under editor mode portrait layout. Editor mode portrait layout. Thank you.